What's the meaning of anti? Anti. 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 Anti.
The prefix anti- is commonly used in English to indicate opposition or against something. It is derived from the Greek word anti, meaning against, or opposite. When used in words, anti- suggests an action or attitude that opposes or counteracts something, such as antibiotic against bacteria, anti-inflammatory against inflammation, or anti-war against war. In essence, anti- implies a negation or resistance towards a particular concept or object, indicating a stance of opposition or oppositional force.